Good afternoon, traders. And in this video, we will talk about the market turning points indicator and the filter trend indicator that you see on the right hand side of my chart. Okay, so first of all, I received so many messages on my Telegram channel that, sir, we are using that indicator, we are using this indicator. So you need to understand that indicators that are using, they are vanished from the market. They don't work because the smart money already know that what concepts you are using. You have to follow someone who is exactly using a very different approach that is completely against the retail traders, because until unless you will not change your thinking from a retail trader to a smart money trader, then you cannot handle this market, because this is the honest opinion. And if you watch my videos, if you have a chance to discuss with me on Telegram, and if you have ever done a conversation with me, I normally treat everyone with the same thing, that I open their eyes, that at least change your mentality from a retail trader. Because if you are playing with the mindset of the retail trader, it is not going to help you. Okay, now that was the reason to at least help the beginner stuff in the market who are trading the beginner levels. I basically feel the need to develop one indicator that at least show them the trends in the market. Now you can see this is the 5 minute gold chart, and I can just by looking at one time at the table, I can simply get the evaluation what's going on, especially on the 1 hour time frame, and what is going on, especially the my main focus is on the 4 hour time frame. Because whenever I trade gold, because you know that the gold and whatever you trade on the trading market, forex, crypto, stocks, it is based on the liquidity. And at least this indicator can tell you where, when they turns bullish, it means that the liquidity is available on the upper side. Okay, I normally don't give a grass on the lower time frames like 5 minute. Yes, what I do when I'm trading the 1 hour chart, when I'm following the trend on the 1 hour and 4 hour especially, I'm giving a more focus on the 4 hour. Then I'm taking my trades from the 3 minute, 15 minute, but from the low level. Okay, not like right now. If you just look at the gold 5 minute, what you see, the price is exactly at the top. Okay, you can see the price is exactly at the top. Now there is no need to take a buy position because you already missed that, right? Okay, so this is the this is was the perfect area to take a buy position when the trend was started. Okay, before that you can see, if I put the trend line here, you can see somehow this trend was following the downward direction on that time. Okay, so this is the late entry right now. Okay, because this is finished right now, because the move has already done into upward side, and the market turning points indicator has the sell opportunity level from this area. So please understand that you need to be very logical in that case. Okay, now for example, look at this one. You the price is down right now. Okay, so just look at the 4 hour chart. Okay, so what is a 4 hour saying? 1 hour is bullish, but the 4 hour is bullish as well. Okay, so they are both into the bullish direction. So it means that why the market came down, because if you just look at the previous experience of the market moved up. So it means that there were some liquidity that was available residing at that area, and you can see the market simply has taken the liquidity from that area. Now when the 4 hour is bullish, it means that the market turning point indicator will somehow later on, it will give you a breakout, and it will provide you with a bullish level, either from here or might be from here. And these sell opportunities that are already have done, they would be rejected. So that's why I say the 4 hour trend should be, or the 1 hour trend should be followed on, not here, not at the top, at least at somewhere at the bottom, when you are getting the price at the discounted price. Otherwise no need to take that trade. Okay, so please understand, this is how the trading market works. Okay, so for example, 4 hour was bullish, 1 hour was bullish, but now this was the right time, or this was the right time to take a buy opportunity. So trust me, if you have covered the 8 videos that I have given in my YouTube channel playlist in the name of Advanced Trading Course, and you have the market turning points indicator, and you have the filter trend indicator, then you are not a losing trader in that case. At least you can make a good amount of money every day. If not every day, then at least your month will be in the blue color. Okay, now just look at here. Okay, so every retail trader will be selling here. Okay, just look at here what the filter trend is telling you. The filter trend is telling you the 4 hour is bullish. Now this is the one bullish opportunity that is already it has given a pullback from here. But let's say if the market comes further down, so more discounted price if you get here, then it would be the best option to go for a bullish trade, because the high time frames are bullish and the lower are bearish. Because why the lower are bearish? Because the price is coming to liquidate the retail traders that are available here at the moment. Okay, now even if you go to the 1 minute time frame, you will see the same. Okay, so like for example, look at this one. Okay, so right now this is defined because 4 hour was bearish and 1 hour was bearish and the trend was coming down. So this was the perfect time to enter into the sell position. So this is how my indicator works, because if you're using the older concepts in the market, they are not going to work. If you're using RSI, MACD, moving averages, and blah blah, there are a lot of things in the market. No, guys, they are not going to work, because the things will work that are based on the liquidity. And you need to understand the smart money concept of trading the market. Otherwise, if you don't understand how smart money deals with the market, then you cannot do any kind of trading in that case. So guys, these are the two powerful indicators. And if you want my market turning points indicator, or you want to get the filter trend table, the filter trend, this is the very powerful indicator. If you want to get this one, you can contact through email. You can also contact through our Telegram channel. All the information is provided in the description of this video.